GoPro cameras were once the undisputed leaders for action videos and vlogging. But lately, something has changed. Competitors like Insta360 and DJI are releasing innovative new products while GoPro seems stuck in the past. We used to be huge fans, but now we wonder, why is GoPro falling behind the competition? Let's find out.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
When GoPro filed to go public in 2014, they talked about becoming an exciting media company beyond just selling action cameras. This likely helped inflate their valuation, but after going public, GoPro tried expanding too fast into making shows and building a streaming service to compete with Netflix and YouTube. Their new media division spent lavishly over $100,000 per TV episode, with little financial return. Despite having 30 different shows in development, most never aired as GoPro couldn't compete with established players. This reckless overexpansion drained money and focus that should have gone towards improving their core camera products. Today's action camera users expect more than just great video quality. They also want cutting-edge features that enable new ways to shoot. This is another place where competitors pull ahead. For example, the DJI Action 2 introduced magnetic accessories that make attaching mods nearly effortless. Insta360 offers forward-facing touchscreens, 360 videos, and smartphone live streaming. GoPro has been slow to keep pace. The Hero 11 brought useful upgrades like 10-bit color and new sensors. However, many of the core capabilities remain unchanged for years. Competitors seem to push boundaries while GoPro plays it safe, which can be a huge mistake. Flush with cash from going public, GoPro more than doubled its employees to over 1,800 and gave its CEO an exorbitant multi-million-dollar salary despite losing money. They failed to control costs or run the business efficiently. GoPro also kept relying on hype and branding over substance in their cameras. When they priced their new Hero 4 session model at $399, the same as their premium flagship camera, well, you can imagine frustrated shoppers seeing a fancy $399 session box but finding a far inferior product inside compared to the premium Black Edition. GoPro was forced to slash session prices repeatedly over the next year due to overconfidence in their dominance of the market. While spending big on entertainment and accessories, GoPro took their eyes off the ball improving their camera tech. As smartphone makers and cheaper Chinese rivals began releasing competitive action cameras, GoPro found itself out-innovated in core features like video stabilization and image quality. GoPro coasted on its first-mover advantage rather than keeping up with the latest camera tech. The company culture shifted away from the scrappy surfer dude roots that led to their initial success. So bloat and mismanagement left them unable to compete in features or pricing. Then comes their drone launch. In a bid to expand into drones and compete with industry leader DJI, GoPro poured $96 million into developing their own model called Karma. But right after Karma's 2016 launch, users started reporting mid-air power losses. It emerged that a key part was defective. Their battery compartment simply wasn't strong enough for flight. After that, GoPro recalled over 2,000 drones and aborted the troubled Karma project just 2 years later. The failure cost GoPro dearly in both consumer trust and research and development wasted on drones. And DJI only extended its industry lead in the meantime. Despite being the first to market with a mass-market action camera, GoPro failed to adapt as smartphone cameras gradually got good enough for casual users, and cheaper rivals matched GoPro specs. GoPro clung to premium pricing and hype even as demand weakened. And their failed expansion efforts left less energy focused on the core camera business. So while the market GoPro created became commoditized, other players filled the void with good enough quality at better prices. By the time GoPro shifted focus back to basics, much ground had already been lost. Now, let's be clear, this isn't to say that GoPro makes low-quality cameras these days. Their reputation for bomb-proof reliability and versatility remains rock solid. Models like the Hero 11 Black are very capable action cameras across a range of sports and activities. However, when you compare them against the latest feature sets that DJI, Insta360, and others, some cracks begin to emerge. GoPro no longer appears to be the undisputed industry leader when it comes to pushing technical boundaries and innovation. Instead, they seem stuck relying on their old brand's strength while smaller rivals continue to ship new and exciting features. For loyal fans, it's frustrating to watch the innovation gap closing between GoPro and its competitors. We still love GoPro cameras, but we also want to see bolder R&D innovation, more competitive software experiences, and friendlier pricing. Hopefully, with new senior leadership in place, GoPro can regain its product mojo. But at the current pace, they do appear to be slipping behind the rising competition. So, this was all about why GoPro is falling behind the competition. But what do you think? Let us know down in the comments, and thanks for watching. Drop us a like and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.